Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Unity programming. First, download and install the Unity Hub and Unity Editor. This free software is your gateway to game development. Next, familiarize yourself with the Unity interface. Understand the scene, game, hierarchy, project, and inspector windows. Start with basic projects like a simple platformer or a rolling ball game to get comfortable with the environment and basic object manipulation. Once you're familiar with the interface, dive into C# programming. This is the language Unity uses. Focus on core concepts like variables, conditional statements, and functions. Then, learn how C# scripts interact with Unity's game objects and components. Practice implementing basic game mechanics such as player movement, collision detection, and user interface elements to bring your projects to life. The best way to learn is by doing. Follow structured tutorials to build complete, small games from start to finish. This helps solidify your understanding of how different systems work together. Don't be afraid to experiment with various game genres. When tackling larger projects, break down complex features into smaller, achievable tasks. This approach makes the learning process less overwhelming and more effective. As you progress, explore more advanced Unity topics such as animation systems, artificial intelligence, and multiplayer networking. These areas will significantly expand your development capabilities. Engage with the vibrant Unity community through forums, Discord servers, and local meetups. Sharing your work and getting feedback is invaluable. Also, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals to enhance your learning experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.